Well, Harley here, and sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Been busy working up in the mountains, running chainsaws more than working on cars. But this is my new trailer. My grandpa had built this back in the 90s, and then my dad just gave it to me. Unfortunately, first trip up to the mountains hauling dirt, the axle broke. I'll show you that here in a second. This thing, it's an early 70s C10 pickup box that had been converted to a trailer, and my grandpa had put a trailer axle under there. Here's the carnage. It just driving up a rough dirt road with about 900 pounds of dirt, which isn't much, and it just broke, and the wheel came off. So tire and wheel are fine. Got a new axle on order. This was a drop axle. I'm going to put in a straight one to give me a little more clearance as I'm hauling this around the mountains. But anyway, while I was out here getting ready to film, FedEx showed up. Since I've got this apart anyway, this has trailing arm suspension and new coil springs and U-bolts. I don't know, it's kind of dark in here. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, these showed up today, so now I'm just waiting on the axle, and that probably won't be here till next weekend. But while I got it apart, put in some new coils, and I just cut the old U-bolts off of the trailing arms because one of them was damaged when the trailing arm hit the ground. So, and you should probably replace them anytime you have them apart anyway. So make sure this doesn't break down again on me. And yeah, just a little update as to what I've been up to. And it's getting to be about winter here, so I'll be back in the garage working on my Chevelle as time allows. So thanks for watching, guys.